Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English grammar page number 92. Students, now let us start topic subject, verb, agreement. इसमें नंबर 1 पर पॉइंट है वर्ब को हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक होना चाहिए। सब्जेक्ट अगर वाहिद है तो वर्ब भी वाहिद होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द प्लेयर प्ले क्रिकेट, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस। The player plays cricket, this is correct sentence. Next example, I is a cricketer, this is incorrect sentence. I am a cricketer, this is correct sentence. Next example, Ali are sleeping, this is incorrect sentence. Ali is sleeping, this is correct sentence. You am a doctor, this is incorrect sentence. You are a doctor, this is correct sentence. Next example, he have a calculator, this is incorrect sentence. He has a calculator, this is correct sentence. Next example, she go to school, this is incorrect sentence. She goes to school, this is correct sentence. Next example, he are my friend, this is incorrect sentence. He is my friend, this is correct sentence. Next example, he take tea, this is incorrect sentence. He takes tea, this is correct sentence. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 पर पॉइंट है सब्जेक्ट अगर जमा है तो वर्ब भी इसके मुताबिक होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जांपल, दे एम ईटिंग मैंगोज, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस। दे आर ईटिंग मैंगोज, दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस। नेक्स्ट, आई इज स्लीपिंग, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस। आई एम स्लीपिंग, दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस। Next example, the boys is running, this is incorrect sentence. The boys are running, this is correct sentence. Next, I reads a story book, this is incorrect sentence. I read a story book, this is correct sentence. Next, she buy a book tomorrow, this is incorrect sentence. She will buy a book tomorrow, this is correct sentence. Next, I see a snake yesterday, this is incorrect sentence. I saw a snake yesterday, this is correct sentence. Next, we watch TV, this is incorrect sentence. We watch TV, this is correct sentence. Next, we works in fields, this is incorrect sentence. We work in fields, this is correct sentence. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ। आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर। स्टूडेंट्स, काइंडली राइट डाउन दिस वर्क ऑन योर नोटबुक्स। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।